Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to insert a SIM and micro SD card in Galaxy A15 5G. So firstly, just take a SIM ejector here, and as you see, we have a SIM slot on this side. So just take the SIM ejector to take out the SIM slot. So as you guys see, the SIM slot is now out, and we have these two slots, SIM 1 slot, and here we have a SIM 2 slot and micro SD card option. So put the SIM like this on the SIM 1, and on the other side we have a micro SD card, but unfortunately I don't have any SD card right now. So but if you want to insert the micro SD card, so you can place it here like this structure. So after inserting it, just take the SIM tray and insert it again. Now let's see. Okay, and as you guys see, the SIM signal is now coming here, and that's how we can insert a SIM or memory card or SD card in Galaxy A15 5G. So that's it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.